Wow, what a fantastic day, right? So Nifty alone has gone up by 355 points, I think, and Bank Nifty was excellent. Bank Nifty was a star performer today. It went up by, I think, more than how much? Maybe 600 or 700 points. That's a good news. And you know what happened over the weekend? So RBI has put some restrictions on HDFC's digital product, which was lifted over the weekend. So HDFC alone has performed more than 3%, I think 2.5%. Not only HDFC, SBI, Axis Bank, ICICI. So all were good performers, and which led to the market Bank Nifty going up by around 800 points and Nifty going up by around 350 points. So that's a good news. But that's what we told over the weekend, or in our previous video we told that markets may stabilize, and due to positive global cues and even positive local cues, which is this HDFC news, markets were able to rally on the upside. And going forward, we have many events also, but I wouldn't say this Russia-Ukraine thing has subsided. Till stocks are going, till Russia and Ukraine are negotiating, and things are looking here and there. I'm not telling you the war is finished or uncertainty is finished. Markets are still here in uncertain times only. See, in spite of all this happening today, if you go and see the India VIX was never dropped. It is still above 25. At least India VIX has to come below 25 for us to stabilize. And if it is maybe 22 or 20 or 23, it is an excellent time. But looking going forward, what I feel is things should stabilize. Apart from Indian markets, European markets, Asian market, I wouldn't say all Asian market. I would say Chinese market was down. That is because they are having their own problem. Like they have put some lockdown. Plus, there are some rumors that China is helping Russia with military equipments, and the US telling that if China is going to help Russia, they are going to put sanctions on China also. So Chinese market is down. Apart from that, if you see Europe started in the green, and when we closed, our markets closed. US markets, Dow future was up by 300 or 315 points. Now it is by 150 points. And obviously, due to that, SGX Nifty is also down by 35 points. So whatever happened today was very super, and market rallied like anything. And this is how markets react in uncertain time. But you have to note, even though markets were going on the upside, there was a call spike. Call premium was not decaying. There was no decay. And only in the last 15 or 20 minutes, there was heavy decay in option pricing. So that is one thing you have to observe. But things are looking good, and that's what we told in the last video. Markets are likely to stabilize. If tomorrow everything is okay, and Wednesday 16th of March, there is a big event, which is US Federal Reserve is going to come out with the much anticipated interest rate hike. If US is not going to increase the interest rate more than 25 basis points, so it is going to uh, be good for the market. Now this increase of 25 basis point is already factored in the market, and even IOC and ONGC, all oil and gas companies are also performing good. That is because you know why. I think they have not increased the petrol price in spite of elections being in favor of BJP. So that is also good news. So for now, I think we have to stabilize, and market should not make violence move. And these things are subsiding slowly, and this Russia Ukraine war, as we discussed in earlier videos, is just a temporary thing, and it is not going to be in the scene for a very long time. Whatever problem we went through for the last 1 week or 10 days is going to uh, subside. So that's what I think. Let's hope for the best. Anyway, we cannot tell anything about the markets. Markets are irrational, right? Anyway, if you see the open interest, what was interesting is today is from 16,700. I can see from 16,000, not even 16,700, from 16,800 all the way to 16,500 aggressive put rating. And there was no call rating at all. Only aggressive put rating was happening, and the only call rating which happened was in 17,000, not 17,000, 16, yeah, sorry, yeah, around 16,900. I really don't know why people are writing calls there. Maybe they are thinking market may go down tomorrow. Maybe, who knows? If smart money thinks, they will take the market down also, right? But call writing is happening, and only when it comes to call, there is only call rating in 16,900, and there is no call rating elsewhere. But when it comes to put rating, from 16,800 all the way to 16,500, put rating is happening aggressively. And today's put rating still 17,000. Even though put rating has happened today, 17,000 is going to be a huge resistance tomorrow, and I think Nifty will test 17,000 tomorrow if we don't have any negative news today night. We don't know how US is going to open. As I told you, as I talk to you, US future is up by 150 points or 0.58%. So we will see how things pan out tonight in the US, and if everything goes well tomorrow, we should be testing 17,000, and tomorrow market may not touch go beyond 17,000. So that's what I think. So 17,000 is going to be a good support. And Bank Nifty, I don't know, Bank Nifty, maybe today's rally, 800 points rally, because of 800 points rally, Bank Nifty may see some long unwinding tomorrow. So we'll see how things pan out. So 36,000 is acting as a good resistance for Bank Nifty, and support is somewhere in 34,500, and if that is taken out, 34,000 is going to be the good support for Bank Nifty. So that is this is the thing about FII. Sorry, not FII. Open interest and FII data. I don't think FII data has come out. I'm sure they would have at least bought today. You have this HDFC, and HDFC group is the favorite for FIIs. At least you should have bought today buy. If you are not buying today also, then that is very bad. Let me check if this NSE has released the FII data. So all these days, these people were selling, and I'm sure today also they would have sold, but very little. Last 2 or 3 trading sessions, they are here. FII data is out, and they have still sold for 176 crores, and DIs have bought for 1098 crores. Now what? I think FIIs are turning bullish, and the markets are likely to maybe go up, right? All these days, what problem we faced was that FIIs were net sellers. They have been aggressively selling for the last 1 year or so, and this is the one of the very lowest amount in the near past, right? So I can tell you they have sold for 8,000 crores. Last week they have sold for 8,000 crores and 6,000 crores, 7,000 crores. On an average, they used to sell for 5,000 crores, but today they have sold for around around 176 crores. So that's a good news. So let's see how things pan out tomorrow. Hopefully, if US markets are positive, going in positive territory and trading in positive note, we should see market inching up, or even if it is not inching up, let it stabilize, so that many people will survive, right? So that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.